Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. I hope you're really all staying warm and cozy. This winter too, we forgot a special treat for all the girls out there. A comprehensive guide to the best winter socks that will keep your toys toasty and stylish all season long. So if you're really ready to upgrade your socks game, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the world of winter socks. Display a variety of colorful and warm winter socks on a table. Host holding up a pair of socks. First up, tell about the importance of you having the right winter socks in your wardrobe. Not only do they keep you warm, but they also add a touch of style to your winter outfit. The Kyoto warm fit in winter is choosing the right material. Look for socks made from wool, fleecy, or blend of material for maximum insulation. Wool is a natural insulator that picks away moisture, keeping your feet dry and cozy. Winter socks designed for side warmth can't be stylish. Winter socks come in a plethora of cute and cozy designs. Designed from classic fairy tale pattern to adorable animal print, there is something for everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.